All right, Outdoor Office family, here is a quick how-to video on how to repair your camper's lock. Because look at this, my deadbolt's gone, the screws are gone, I have no idea where they got to. So let me have that box down there, Isaac. We went to General RV over here in Canton, and we got us a Trimark lock kit. It's a trailer lock with the deadbolt. It has 2 keys, so this is the one we're going to be replacing. So now I gotta go get me some square bits, and we're gonna replace this before we leave to go camping. Hang in there and watch all this fun that's about to take place.
Yeah, I had it.
3 more to go. All the screws are out, so we'll take this piece out. There's the inside of the housing. This should just push out on the other side, but obviously I can't do it with one hand, so I'll go ahead and get it taken out. All right, I'm a big kid. I love bubble wrap. Let's get this thing unboxed. Well, inside, outside, new keys, new striker plate. I think I'm probably going to keep my original one on. It looks pretty good, but I'm definitely going to replace this one with a little bit longer screws. So let's get to the install. Just a quick tip: your holes that your hasp go around right here, these are not pre-threaded. You have to thread them in with the old drill. So just giving you a heads up. I thought they were already pre-threaded, but they're not. You just have to put some rear end behind it and get them in there. New door installed. So yes sir, looks good, except for right here. The screws they send you are garbage, and you gotta self tap the hole. Well, when you put a little too much on it, that's what happens. So I have to drill this out and back it out, and then the install will be right. But if you're installing it, make sure you don't put too much butt behind it, because if you do, that's what's going to happen. But door lock installed. Y'all be good.